Guys, this morning it's another tourist spot we will go into let's call that another waterfalls. What waterfalls is that? Macabo? Capo waterfalls. So this is the way going up the mountain. So see you later there, guys. This is the road going up away for another waterfall. So here we are now. In this area is another waterfalls here in Sikihor. Yeah. So I'll show you. This is the way, guys. This is the way you go down there. That waterfalls. So I will show you the billboard and then their sign. So that one. So so you can find this one. Lugnason Falls. You they called it a Lugnason Falls. And this is here the entrance. Yeah. So you're gonna park your motorbike over there and then yeah. So So see you later there, guys, in the waterfall.
Ma'am, naka-vlog, ma'am.
Hi
guys, welcome
Hi
to my vlog
guys.
on your
So this one, guys. So this is the way. You have to sit down. Good. I see it is very exciting, guys, because they have 13 waterfalls down here. So I have some companion foreigners also for the country. So she's our he is our tour guide today. So some foreign guys there also. Oh. So it's lots of fun there also. They have rock climbing, jumping rope, and then yeah, here. More adventure and having fun here. So this is the view.
Video.
See, look at that. Very nice. Wow. That's nice. So we go. Let's go down. It's excited to swim. Wow! That's very nice.
Ila kapit tira.
Makaling kasama sir, hindi na lumos sa tubig. Kalang sa kumana sir, kung mga naroon sa tubig. Igura ka na masalot ba?
The view, whole view. See? our tour guider. So this is the first fall you can see here. It's nice to jump, but I'm not in the mood to jump in this today. Yeah. Pwede po.
Sa sulod ba? Ito rin na ba?
Ha?
Dara, sulod.
So there, down. Oh! Unsa man? I just do the vlog first.
Ikaw sir, tugnaw. Ikaw sir, di ka mo sunod na. Okay na. Okay na sir. Palungon lang nako.
Ate Jen, good one!
Now!
Dito,
so
te.
fun. Ha?
Dito ay, layo kung tayo lahat.
Yan eh. That's so really so much.
Ito, patisyo.
So guys, that was so much fun. So we're going up. We're now up. Really cool. The jumping, the waterfalls. This was so having fun. Yeah. So we're going up now there. So yeah. Do you love adventure? There is so much fun here for an adventure at Sikihor Island. Yeah. So guys, this is my video for today for this waterfall. So thank you very much and see you to my next video. Bye bye!